What better way to add a pop of color to your look than with a good lipstick? I decided to feature two brands in today's video, and the first hand swatch is by Smashbox. These lipsticks come in a collection of moisturizing cream shades that are silky in texture and vitamin fortified. The formula is supposed to last 10 hours without drying or settling unevenly into the lips. The second brand that I chose is by the brand Benefit, and I'm really excited to try out these lipsticks. They supposedly have a custom teardrop tip that is supposed to grab and define your lip line. These are semi-matte lipsticks and they come in neutral to bright shades. You can purchase them in the mini, that's what I'm showing in this clip here, or you can also purchase a full size. They're supposed to be long wearing and last up to 8 hours on the lips. I'm extremely excited to try them and see if they do last as long as they say on the website, so we'll go ahead and get into the next clip.
It's like the words fell out from inside my mouth.